Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So in Nifty you can clearly see that today market opens gap down and it did not closes below and it continuously took support from that 70,450 to 70,500 level, and right now it trades around 77,610. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow it also breaks that 70,700 level again, then you can take it for buying, and target you can set to 70,800 and next target you can set to 70,920. But if it opens gap down and if it trades below 70,500 or 70,500 450, then you can expect some selling pressure here also, and target you can set to 70,400 to 70,350 for taking any kind of trade. Let's look into in 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see that today Nifty opens gap down and it continuously trades in a range and it did not break that high or did not break that range low. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market opens flat and it trades above 70,650 or 700, then you can expect some buying pressure here as I said, and target you can set to 7,800 first, next target you can set to 7,920. But let's assume that if it opens gap down and if it trades below 70,500 in the range, then after that we can also take trade for selling, because today it continuously took support from that level, and if it breaks that level then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target you can set to 7,400 to 7,350. If it opens gap down, it may happen that it opens gap up also. So if it opens a gap up around 17,700 or 750 and it shows any kind of selling pressure here, then you can expect some selling pressure here, because previously it took resistance from that level and it continuously shows some selling pressure at that 17,750 level. So if tomorrow it also shows any kind of negative movement here, then you can take trade for selling, and target you can set to 70,600 to 70,550. And that's all about Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty in 1-day candle chart. In Bank Nifty it also opens gap down and it shows some positive movement after taking support from that 40,000 level, and right now it trades around 40,700. So previously also I told you that if it closes above 40,800 level, then you can expect some buying pressure here, but today it opens gap down, so it took support from that 40,000 level and right now it trades around 40,700. So if tomorrow market opens flat and if it trades above 40,800, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target you can set to round level 40,000 first, 41,000, and next target you can set to round level 41,200 for taking any kind of trade. Let's look into in 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can one thing you can clearly notice here that it opens a gap down and it trades in a range for the entire day, and in the last 1.5 hours it shows some positive movement towards 40,700. So if tomorrow market opens flat and if it trades above 40,800 as I said in 1-day candle chart, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target will be around 40,000 to 41,000 round level first, next target you can set to 40,000 41,200. But if it opens around 41,000 or 41,100 and shows any kind of negative scenario there, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will going to set to 40,700 first, next target will going to set to 40,600. But if it opens a gap down and if it trades below 40,000 level by halting there for at least 15 to 20 minutes, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it opens a gap down and it continuously closes below 40,200 in 1 or 2 candle, then we will going to wait for any kind of halt or any kind of negative movement after that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, because if it directly goes down that 40,200, then it may be go up, and then it may took resistance from that 40,200 level once again. Then after that we can take trade for selling as I said. So that's all about today guys. If you like the video, please share my channel and subscribe it, and let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye everyone.